Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to report someone on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Friends. Now select the friend that you would like to report. Tap on the exclamatory icon which is right next to profile icon with tick mark on it. Add email, but this option is optional. Then choose the category. And then tap on the select button. Now to add detail, tap on the plus sign. And then tap on the Save button. Once you are done, tap on the Send button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can report someone on hi5. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.